Sibingelele 2026 love you all. This is Babu Dokotela, Babu Turu, love you all. Babu Dokotela uyashutha ke namhlanje lapho sikhona sise dark room studio number 119 floor to 1905. Babu Dokotela use building to in Nedbank House building, physical address of business address 30 Albert Street in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal in the Republic of South Africa. This is Babu Dokotela, this is Bawujabulile. Loving to have our followers as you, but into en abangakayenzi is to subscribe. Very few people aba subscribe. Almost 80% abantu ababuka la channel ethu, they never subscribe, and then I urge you to subscribe everyone, because the beauty about this is an only podcast or to muibuka i-video khona iziphelo ngaloku interrupt ama advert, because we are not grossly dependent ukuthi sikhokhele YouTube, but I just want you to subscribe so that sizokwazi ukukhula faster than what we are. Yes, bakithi, this is Babu Dokotela, this is Bawujabulile mfana umthetho kahle umlungu. Sinabantu esizoba nabo ngoFebruary sizoqala ukuthi sibazele ama subscription, sibakhokhele ngokuthi ba crop aba poster ama video ethu. Soqala ngoFebruary ngoba i-channel iqale ukusebenza ngomhla ka-15 January, and then siyaqala nge-shooting ngomhla ka-5 February isobe eligible ukuthi lawo ke azobe sesikhokha ama rebate kulabantu abazobe belekelela ngokuthi spread igama elihle likaBabu Dokotela. This is Babu Dokotela. Yeah, namhlanje I've got a topic, or I've got a theme, I've got isihloko that says money ritual rings. There are rings engizokufundisa zona, chazele ngikhiphela lo mqondo obhedayo. Abantu abahamba behlala ngabantu beshutha izinto ezomsangana kanti bayothenga edolo bethi amaringana umsangano yonke lo nto. Abanye bayiloda even ku YouTube, bayiloda ku Google, and abayazi ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani lapha bacela umdlalo nje. Yeah, bakithi now siya ku February. Epinyangeni I strongly encourage into esibiza ukuthi innovation epinyangeni, and then njoba kuyinyanga you got range of products that you are literally giving to people or selling to people, but identify one that you're going to brand and then mainstream it and advertise it on radio, paper and social media. Radio, newspaper and social media, advertise that brand so that ungadepend ukuthi kuza abantu esigodlweni, kuza abantu bezohlola, and kube khona i-product mainstream. Yeah, this is Babu Dokotela. 2025, I had a product called Untombi Kayibhinqi. Ibhodlela lelishimane. Nansi ke packaging yakhona. Nansi packaging yakhona. Yebo? Yeah, I'll tell you iqaqeke. Yebo le packaging ikhombo le enginika abantu. Upowder lo uma ushela intokazi engafuni ukuqoma uyayikhotha lento le. Uma uya ku-interview uyayikhotha lento le. Uma uyokhuluma nomuntu ongafuni niphikisane uyayikhotha lento le. Uma nje ukufuna nje ukukhuluma into oyithandayo ku-HR uyayikhotha lento le. You understand? Lento yenza yonke into. Yenza yonke into oyifunayo. Mase kuzothi kuba ke ibhodlela ke leli kantombi Kayibhinqi amafutha. Wona la mafutha lawa uwathambisa ebusweni uma uyokhuluma nomuntu ongafuni ukuphendula. And le ntombi izoqoma inkane nansi ke ikhombo yakhona. Now we have to innovate it for 2026 so that we can able to mainstream it and start to sell it even abroad. Njoba i-packaging yakhona nazi izinto engikhuluma ngazo. It's 1,500. Nansi ke plastic. Look at this plastic, how cheap it is. Transparent as it. Sengiyifakile ke la, uyabo? Njoba sengiyifakile lana, I'm talking about innovation. Sengiyifakile la, I'm closing it. You understand? Mind, because we are innovating the product, I have ordered this. These are called vials, not bottles. Vials. We call it vials. Lama bodlela lawo. Sengifaka la phakathi, yabo? Sengiyifakile, yabo? Sengiyivala ke inesili la, but uma isifika kwena izofika isinje. You understand? And then isuka la, yebo? Isuka la ibingena ilabel isinje na ke manje, and then i-product ibe all along ibidayisa kanje kubantu. Manje iza kwena innovated, ivaliwe, inesili la. Anything efakwe la ifakwe uBabu Dokotela. If it may kill somebody, should be Babu Dokotela has to be held responsible. But if ifika kwena ivalwe kanje, anyone can put anything la, yabo? anyone can put anything la mase thatha lento ayibuyise lapha because it's not security sealed. Then la iseal la right, then ibhaliwe ukuthi functions yalento and ingredients la ibhaliwe ukuthi who marketed and supplied distributed by ubaba udokotela. Lento ke njoba inje accidental iwa la okhona ayif accidental iwa la ikhona iglass le plastic le isifile 1500 it's disappeared, it does not. Lana ngisho ukuthi siya innovate ke iproduct yakho, and then as from February wena uthufuna into bekayibhinqi, and then rest assured ukuthi into eza kuwena ilento ke manje akusezi lento kade inqunu lento kade ihlazo lento kade embarrassa kuza lento sesikwenza ukuthi kube mandatory ukuthi abantu asibanike ikhombo singaloko siba feel sorry for into esazi kahle ukuthi abantu they really need lo msebenzi lo. Nanku ke umsebenzi engifuna uku-introduce khona le khombo ke engikunika yona ikhombo engiyinikezela umuntu wesilisa usuke enenkinga kubantu besifazana, hayo igwala hayo besabayo. Yeah, ngifuna ukuthi ucaciseleke lapho ukuthi ke ikhombo yenu ngisiya-innovator. Yeah, ngiphathela abafana bomoya njalo umavula uvale umafika aqala umafika acaphuna umafika athathe. Abafana bomoya bahlukene kakhulu nalento yenye ikhafula because we have used abafana bo izikhafula, it didn't work. I am putting what is called abafana bomoya kuwena. You cannot be doing something that is wrong. Ngoba uyazi abafana bomoya, I was talking to another lady uthi inomuntu owahambayo ngazi 3 years or something uthi manje usesensakhule ekhafula ufuna ukwazi ukuthi abafana bomoya nje be 1700 how long does it take ukuthi abuye. Into ongayazi mama ngicela ukuyichaza lento le ndoda eyakho uyayithanda, le ndoda unecharity le wayifika yinsizwa yazi yaba indoda namhlanje ayikho la lapho ikhona iyafisa ukubuya ngoba le ndoda lena igadiswa izingane zomakhelwane. Indlela abayidlise ngayo le ndoda yakho akuseyona lento wena oyazi iyona, ithingiza into ongazuyibona. Isikwazi ukuthula iwashing eminyango melinethi kuthiwa ngenisa lezo ngubo ziyanetha izulu, ayikho indoda enjalo. Le ndoda yakho isikwazi ukucwengisa irice made kupheka noma ungasana ulicwenge. Yena wenzani na ubuka amafilimu la ama-Nigerian, cela ukusensa igama ama-Nigerian ale gama bolinde ngizolisebenzisa, ubuka leyo nto lena indoda yakho leyo. La ngikhuluma ngomuntu mina owashada naye, ngikhuluma nomuntu lana obune future naye. Laphana owenziwa isilimo oxhashazwayo. Asikungakubheki ukuthi ngikunika iproduct yokulibuyisa umuntu wakho uyisebenzise ngo6 ekseni, uyisebenzise ngo3 intatha kosa bese kuthi ngo2 emini ungifone uthi baba doctor sengiyithi 2 days isele umuntu bengakafoni. It does not work like that. Uma sisiphusha umsebenzi, we force people asake bathintana ngokwenyama sebenze ezinye izinto. Sebeke bathintana ngokwenyama sebenze ezinye izinto ezenziwa abantu abadala. Now, first number what we do, we cause a vibration that is negative kubona. Siyabahlukanisa. Sihlukanisa izithandani. That does not happen overnight. Sihlukanisa izithandani uma sebehlukene lento izodala ungezwane kubona, kube khona ukunyanyana, kube khona ukucasukelana, umuntu indoda yakho ikwazi ukuthi ikhumbule ekhaya. But that does not mean ukuthi mina ngizokunika ngo-half. Mina into engiyishoyo ukuthi ayakho le ndoda engiyibuyisayo, ayakho le ndoda HR, ayakho le ndoda ewukhomanda emaphoyiseni, ayakho le ndoda esebenzayo emsebenzini ezothi imishayiswa imoto njengoba nishade nayo kulahleke konke. Kulahleke konke. Asimbuyise ke kwayini sisengakwazi ukubuza. Simbuyise esaphila, simbuyise engenagula, engena stroke, engena lutho. I am not backing down kulo 1700 because I know what I am, the ingredients alabayana, and I know what I'm doing. I'm not just buyisa indoda yakho, we are rescuing indoda yakho ethundwe umuntu wesifazane osebenzisa imithi emimbi. Kunomuntu engoke ngimfundise wona odliswa amadoda. Indoda uma uyidlise ngaleyanto, zonke izingane zala ekhaya iziwashele iwashing. Bafaka nje kwashing, awasha yena kwafaka kwashing, zonke izingane zakhona. Kunento eyenziwayo engingafuni ukukhuluma ngayo namhlanje. Kodwa into engiyishoyo ngithi mina, labo baba bajuluka impandla emzini yabantu, labo baba bathwele istadium ngekhanda, ngithi mama, it is kusezandleni zakho ukuthi luyababa semlando. Kusezandleni zakho kusemlando. Yes, this is Baba Dr. Boyces Bojabulile. Ngifuna ukuthi ke siyithintele eladi. Ngifuna ke siyithintele eladi. Sineladi esilakhesa abantu. Iladi yilento abathi esithi thina ngesintu ngoba iladi lento into amakholwa sithe uthi iladi lento le. Lanto sibiza ukuthi indlakudla yabantwana. Indlakudla yabantwana is very important, very important. Ake ngihlukanise la uma usukwakhela indlakudla yabantwana engicelayo kuwena, wena ozaziyo impilo yakho ngeke ngikutshele yonke into. Ngicela ukuthi iba nayo ikani le-Coca-Cola. I-Coca-Cola iyona into ephuzwa kakhulu. Kube khona eli-Sprite. Understand? Ili-Sprite isibaluleka kangakanani. Kuzoba i-Fanta. I-Fanta is very important. Very important. Musu ngitholela ama-sweet uwabeke uwamix, ama-fruit uwamix futhi na. Musu ngitholela inyama enethambo call it T-bone steak. Thola ke inyama enethambo call it T-bone steak. Lapho sikwakhisa iladi. Lezi zinto lezi uzozibeka phansi, musu uzibeke phansi. Mase ungitholela ibhakede almost like 10 liter. You understand? Ufaka amanzi. Mase ngikunika umuthi weladi, uqala ukuphonsa ishumi phakathi. Umusu ufaka lo muthi ke lo weladi, umusu uthole inkukhu emhlophe. Le nkukhu emhlophe ungayishiseli impepho. Le nto empepho mina ngiyithandisisi kahle. Because ngokutshela imvelaphi yempepho ukuthi qhamuka akuyona yethu impepho. Thina abantu abemasikazi ishisa impepho. I-concept lena ngophinde ngikufundise ngayo ukuthi impepho ivela thina siyishisa impepho abantu abamnyama. Thereafter musu ubamba le nkukhu lena umusu usuyayibulala, ukhipha inyongo, ufake inyongo hayi igazi. Inkukhu kunento ethi babudodela singayidla le nkukhu. Indeed ngakwazi ukuthi nidle. Yakwazi ukuthi uyidle le nkukhu le. Thereafter umusu usuyawuhlanganisa ke umuthi uhlanze ucele ukuthi njengoba namhlanje ngenza indla kudla abantwana ngithi zonke izingane zasekhaya ezahamba negazi namhlanje siyazigeza sizinika indla kudla yazo. Uyawuphehle uyaqeda lapho uyawuyeka. Usucela ke usuthatha ke inyama ebovu enethambo. Uyibeka laphana uyayosa ke manje le nyama. Kufuna ke ibuye izelana ke. Akikuvume ke lokho. Uma ukuthi kungenzeka, uma kungenzeka futhi lokho, uma ukuthi kungenzeka, thola utshwala bomqombothi lesithi utshwala bezizulu. Ufaka into engangenkomisho uyibeke la, musu ungibekele ikani likabhiya noma ngabe ihlobo nabhiya eduze kwala iphuzo lezi esizithi ama soft drink. Ubeke lana ke mase uyaguqa. Awuhlali phansi umudla lento. Mase usuyaguqa uqoba lenyama lena. Before uyiqobe ngifuna ukhe ispoon kutshwala lobo mqombothi noma bezulu uthele ngaphezulu kule nyama. Ubhiya uthele nje into encane la uvuvuzele kanje uchelela ngaphezulu. Udrink uthele la bonke labo drink uthela musu usuthi ke idlane ke sesiyadla ke manje. And umusu uyayidla ke lenyama udle lenyama umusu uqeda ukidla ulahle ithambo. Uyayiyeka ke lento yenziwa mase lekusokuthi selithamba emilanga. Lento ufuna ilale lapha yana. Uma uvuka ekseni uqoqa yonke lento, ama fruit nama sweet yonke into usuyahamba ke nalento lena ke. Asihlukanise ke sakha iladi lemali. Yangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Sakha iladi lemali. Kulela ladi, kuma video akade kulela ladi ngicela ungifakele nemali emhlophe. Ekulela bucket ngoba lela bucket lona ufuna livula imali. Ungakwenza konke but uma ingekho imali emhlophe lela bucket akuzokwenza lento esiyifunayo. Then kusubutha lama sweet lawa. Lama sweet uyahamba nawo uyowanikezela izingane zakude ongazazi. Unika ingane zakude ongazazi. Meke zadla lezo ngane yonke into ebekuvalile iyavuleka. Ake size kulela bucket leliyana ke. Lela bucket leliyana ke uzogeza ngalo. Phehlu uyavuka ekseni ugeza ngalo umzimba usuku lodwa ugeza sekuphelile. Hayi ukuthi insuku esingaka uyageza nje sekuphelile. Kodwa kulela khandlela bucket kufuna kukhanya amakhandlela u4 amhlophe. Ngesikhathi wenza lo msebenzi kukhanya amakhandlela u4 amhlophe. Bese ukuthi ngakusasa lamakhandlela lawa awasakhanyiswa. Uma usuyogeza futhi amakhandlela awasakhanyiswa. Iladi lakho ke lelo. Engikwenzisa lona ngoba 1000. Kwenza ngo1000. Ngamabomu ngifuna ukuthi ngoba sesibe nayo into ukuthi abantu bafuna imali, bafuna izithwalo, bafuna ukuthi kodwa kunento esibonayo ukuthi lento iyona le ifana nama chocks engineini ingaki ivibrator kanjeni imoto yakhe because ama mountains engineina aphelile yabo nawe ukuvibrate kwakho ngenza ukuthi ama mountain eladi lapho akushintshisa kanje naka this is Babu Dr. Boyces Bocha mfana umhlenje kahle mlungu bantu bakithi asibonge nje ngayo yonke indlela ngazo zonke indlela osukubonga ngazo ungabonga nami ke ngobaba Dr. Baba sezibojabulele ngiyabonga this year ngizobe ngihlanganisa u30 years ekwelapheni ngihlanganisa u30 years ekulapheni umbuzo ukuthi Baba Dr. umuntu uhlanganisa u30 years ekulapheni kodwa indlela ophusha ngayo uphusha sangathi uhlanganisa u6 years why are you pushing as if you are still desperate? That's a question that angizibuze wona ngeke ngitheme ngifika eRumpi kunomgaqo laphana oyigravel lo mgaqo oyigravel imoto yakhona ihamba ngo10 20 30 speed ayidluli ku30 ayidluli ku40 okay fine safika itruck laphana kapetrol itruck ephuma eTanzania igingqikile le truck leyana kune convoy kuzodlula kule moto kule truck lena akudluleki ziyadedelana ukuba le truck ibisha ngilapha yana mbuzo ukuthi Baba Dr. bengiyibuza ukuthi kuyo yonke into esenginayo yini engisayifuna I have worked yonke lento enicabanga ngiyomsangana ngisangihlangana lento mina I have worked I have reached out kuwo wonke ama goals ngidima credit card high credit card i-credit card yami inemali enele ukuthi ayikho into engathi ngafuna ukuyithenga manje ngengikwazi ukuyithenga ngingaya noma weliphi izwe njengamanje ngakusasa mina ngifuna ukuthenga ithikithi ngenoma weliphi izwe ngifuna ukuya kulona nginama credit card that are paid in full nginama tenants ahlala kuma properties zami nginama flats ahlala ama tenant nginabasebenzi abasebenzela uBaba Dr. umbuzo ukuthi why usaphusha kangaka ezinye izinto mesizenza sezifana nehobby nokubona komunye umuntu ongakafinyile lapho ukuthi one day soke siphathe into ngelanga eyosizana laba abantu kwakunabantu abaningi abasakhala njengama ambulance obona ukuthi if I don't do this nobody will do this let me just do it not ngoba ngise desperate ukuthi ngifuna ukugwili mina when I was 40 years I clocked R1 million when I was 40 years when I was 50 years I had 9 properties at the age of 50 years yabona ke ngisho ukuthi I drove most of the cars that I wanted I had a Porsche agcina ngithenga ama Porsche u2 ngifuna iGTS ngifuna neCayenne ngifuna ukuzwa nje ukuhluka yabo akwenza konke lokho then now at my age of 30 years in practice I don't have to slow down ngoba ngithi hayi sengi right I have to push more ngizobe ngise Uganda ngofikela eNtebe kusuka eNtebe mase ngiyikampala ngisuka eKampala mase ngispread ke around eUganda ku December 16 not because ngisafuna into esoba kungenza ke beyisigwila I'm certainly okay ukuba bengithanda I reversed the decision wabe ngithanda ngabe ngithenge enye property yes 10 kulonyaka kade na even lama property nginawo it's too much already it's too much ngisho ukuthi ngihlanganisa 30 years kuningi ke ngifuna ukubona kwenzeka and then ngiyazi lo 30 years ngohlanganisayo we can bet imali ukugcina ngihlanganisa ku 30 years then I have to make sure that abantu who comes to Baba Dr. I help them with sincerely because it's my last 30 years ngilapha ke ngiphinde ngithi ngihlanganisa umuntu 30 years 60 years because I don't know anyone also na 60 years lapha then I don't have to ukuthi ngene ku Guinness Book of Record no ngisho ukuthi I take everything very very serious into engizoyisho lana wena uthi uyasebenza njengamanje you are 30 years old you are 36 years old wena nje ubusebenza nje we are 30 years old we are 28 years old and we are doing good into engayisho njengamanje equip yourself with some skills there is a skill that is liquid globally as long as your skill very few countries will never take you go and do hambe ufundela ukushayela wenza ucode 14. Uma usuwenzile ucode 14 udrive 6 months 2 years uma wenze iSuperlink. Uma usunayo iSuperlink certified ungenze lento esibiza ukuthi hazard chemical, so that uzokwazi ukulayisha upetrol no diesel and other chemicals that are like opende yonke leyo nto leyo. Uma usukwenzile lokho, uma usuwenza ibasic level 1 we first aid, angana makusathi level 1 thina kwakuthiwa level 1 2 3 angazi manje bazongi-advise abaseza lezi zinto zaka medicine, but mina ngayenza lento it was 1996 ngayenza ngo-96 i-first aid yami. Then ngenza u1 2 and 3 ngase ngenza i-combat first aid ayifani nge-combat first aid nale ngoba ku-combat first aid nifunda into ezahlukene kakhulu. Combat first aid into ezihluke kakhulu. Then uma usuyenzile i-first aid yakho ngiyacela nje uma usuyenzile you do this for me, you do a passport. Uma usuyenzile i-passport yakho and thereafter apply for what is called Schengen visa, not Schengen visa. Once you got that Schengen visa, and thereafter link up with agents in Spain, France, thereafter Poland. Amazwe lawo engazi ukuthi azokuthatha because you got a skill that they need drivers lapha. Lapana ukudrive usuke Norway uye Spain, they don't care, they just don't care. Ufike eSpain unikwe i-order lePortugal, umuntu wePortugal unikwe i-order leFrance because you're a driver. You are a driver. La skills uyawadinga la skills, trust me. I-America iyabaqasha kakhulu o drive. Iyabaqasha kakhulu. Ikakhulukazi indawo eqasha kakhulu asiqale nje Australia iPerth ine long distance drivers. Long, I mean long distance, I mean long with LNG, that kind of long. Australia uyakwazi ukusuka ePerth udrive so 3000 kilometers. Abantu they just don't care. Kuthiwa ama backpack drivers. And Australia it's wide. 95% are covered. Bahlala 5% and then indawo khona is vast and they need drivers. Abantu base-Australia bafundile abafuna ukudrive amakehle Australia, and then they appreciate ukufika komuntu omusha ona 30 years ona 40 something years of drive because amakehle abakwazi ukuthola eAustralia for long distance drivers. Hamba uye Idaho i-USA USA wawufika bakuthathe futhi Utah Toronto babathatha futhi udriver lapha kakhulu babadinga, because why I'm counting this ikakhulu as Idaho Utah Toronto lezo ndawo lezo a little bit desert off, ayekho umuntu ofuna ukuhlala, especially Utah it is desert, like desert. Arizona is desert and they need drivers because akekho umuntu ofuna ukusebenza lapha. Once you got those skills you can't go wrong. Especially in America. I'm not too sure in Europe. In America, they pay them. If you try company zokuropa, izokunika $24 an hour to $29 an hour. Some companies they push up to 45 an hour US dollars. La ngikhuluma ngomuntu osuke emne eyohola u430 to 465 rand an hour. 2 hours wakhe almost 1,000 rand, just 2 hours wakhe it's almost 1,000 rand. Obvious 3 hours at esemgaqweni uyahleka yedwa. South Africa ungeke uzohole as a driver within 2 hours 900 rand within 2 hours. You can't do that. Cannot do that. Or driver in South Africa they earn plus or minus 900 rand a day. Yabo laphana imali oyenza almost go 1 hour 30 minutes to 900 rand. Yabo engisho ukuthi ake siyibuka ama skills amanye ongakwazi ukuthi ube nawo as njengomuntu omusha and then forge ahead. Forge ngoba lento eniyilwelayo lana nilwa namashangana ukuthi the gross underpaid and bathatha umsebenzi wenu nani hambani noba amashangana ephesheya. Hambani nemashangana ngaphesheya. Phesheya if uyishangane bekunika 24 to $29, abantu base-America wo 45. Uyishangane lihola noma liphesheya. Now hamba ube yishangane khona uzoza ukuba shangane into enjani. Yabo ngisho ukuthi ake sibuke ake sisabalale South Africans. Ama South Africans that just feel as if they're in a village misile asifuni ukuspread out. Yabo asifuni nje thina ukuphumela ngaphandle asifuni ukuphumela asifuni ukudla ubanana as food yabo asifuni ukudla amaqhwagi asifuni ukudla amacimbi asifuni lutho we are South Africans singamaZulu sinenkani siyagoloza siyasina sha abantu ngenduku yabona ngiyibheka nje le yanto abanye baqashula amapipi abazilutho abanye basebeyitabana abazilutho but they are all in South Africa and let's see if we just go diaspora and we live good and raise our flag wherever we go. This is Babu Dr. This is John for the pleasure academy. Yeah. Kade ngise Malawi. Leyase Malawi ipheli indawo yakho document yakho. Kade ngise Malawi. eMalawi I am Babu Dr. today. I am Babu Dr. Laphana kunento ekuthiwa asiyenze. Shuthi kade ngothatha umsebenzi le office nje lihle. Le office lise area 50 kubaba uNgomani mina inamba yakhe senginayo lekhehla mina lizokunika lo msebenzi liyakunika lo msebenzi likutshengisa la uzokwenza kanje uthola iplan pot uthathe lento ufake kwiplan pot okay kodwa kunento ufuna uqala uyenze khona bathi go look for poor people give them whatever they ask for give them don't compromise. See what yini abayidingayo badinga irice badinga ini ikakhulukazi ke eMalawi abalidinga irice badinga imali yokuthenga impuphu as long benempuphu eMalawi it is fine benamafutha eMalawi amafutha into enkulu kakhulu and thereafter I was forced ukuthi ngihambe ngofuna abantu abadesperate ngahamba ngofuna abantu abahluphekayo and I was not compromising umethi bafuna imali empuphu bengibanika bafuna ngike ngafika kwenye indawo bathi bafuna imali yokurufa ikhishi labo uplastic okurufa ngabanika lo plastic lo plastic loyo imali yokuthenga lo plastic nento abazozidla kanjalo and thereafter laphana uqale usiza abantu abahluphekile before uzothatha lento if inhliziyo yakhe out laba abantu ufuna bathi babonga ufuna bathi ngahamba ngafika kwenye indawo ekutshalwa khona ugwaye ngafika le indawo ekutshalwa khona ugwaye ikusala sakhona sikhuluma isithumbuka that is on video as well on record if you check out TikTok wamzobona lesasala kwaze ngasinike u50 rand ngokwethi yo my goodness that is 5000 kwacha's yo sibonga esathe sangibamba inyawo sangibambatha inyawo yo kase ngabuyela ke kulomkhulu ke wathi umkhulu ke uyenzile lento engiyenzwe wase watolika ke lo obenginayo ukuthi ayenzile wathi ufuna ukubona ama video ngiyenze kupha ngamtshengisa athi ayenza la mase wathatha ayilungiso thatha engisho ukuthi nawe kunento enginayo la engizothi mengithi ngiyakunika mengithamba usiza abantu abahlupheka ukuqala ungavumi ubona ngathi uyaxhashazwa yebo you help the poor first before you can ascertain what you want emasulmaneni if ufuna kuya kweIslam ufuna into powerful kunento abathi lila where you spend money for poor people to feed poor people if you can do that for 3 months making sure every month you send money for poor people khohla I did that as Babu Dokotela. I bought 4 cars in 1 year. 4 cars in 1 year. I did that. We call it Lila, helping the poor. That's all. As long as poor people will say thank you, then it's fine. Engisho ukuthi ngikwenzile ke lokho eMalawi. Bekuyi office le yanto, lana. Yeah, njengamanje ke nginiphathele ke ama ring. Kunama ring ke engibuyele nawo. Lama ring lawayana umuntu othi Babu Dokotela I want fame, I want power, I want a breakthrough. Kuwakhipha kona ngo10,000 abafana la dingi nawo 10,000 rand. Ngiyakunikeza ke leya ring. Leya ring kunebhodlela ekufuza ukuthi ube nalo lelo bhodlela. Lelo bhodlela ngilikhuluma ku social media yakhe. Angilikhulume ke ku social media yakhe lelo bhodlela ke. Lama ring ke lawa umuntu ufuna into enamandla, but ongafuni isithwalo but othi ufuna imali. As long as ufuna imali ngoba leya ring leya yebo gogo ufike uyibeke kanje ibheke ngakuwena uma usuthatha le bhodlela la khona wenze lento engizokutshela uma ibhodlela ulifake phakathi kweringi ulifake phakathi kweringi musu uyasho ukuthi yini oyifunayo angazi ufunani mina this is Baba Dode voices bojabulile ahlanganeni want a ring prepare 10,000 rand you want to go to Malawi I'm not going to Malawi I'm going to Uganda I am urging you to get a passport and go work overseas and become a Shangani as well. This is Baba Dode. Thank you. Good.